Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right. Let's see. It's morning. Oh, look at the crock pot. This is some frozen chicken breasts. I got some seasonings. I want to do something with the crock pot. What do I got over here? Oh, maybe we'll put some wine in there. Got some fresh garlic. That's a potato. What else can we put in it? Hey, Mike Foster here. Today I'm putting together I guess you call it a kitchen sink crock pot. Let's see what we got. I'll go to the fridge here. All right, let's see. I know I have, yeah, these are some artichoke hearts. Let's put those artichoke hearts in there. We'll put those in there. What else we got? I don't want to put salsa olives in there, do we? No. I got some other olives I can put in. I really don't have a lot of stuff in here. Let's go over to the pantry. All right, there's a lot of walking on this video. Yeah, here we go. We're gonna put some, how about some black and green olives? Ain't nothing wrong with that. Put those guys in. I think that's probably it. Oh, but, ooh. Yeah, let's put some tomatoes in there. My wife doesn't like tomatoes, but I'm sneaking them in. All right, and with a potato? Potato and tomatoes? Yeah, we'll figure this out. Let me get everything ready. I'll meet you at the crock pot. Oh, I'm getting dizzy here. We'll put this bad boy together. Check it out. All right, here's the crock pot. Guess what? I found some frozen organic mixed mushrooms. That's nice. We're gonna add those. And I also found some organic baby asparagus. They're all going in there. But first off, we're gonna throw a little olive oil in. I always like to start off with a little olive oil. Ain't nothing wrong with that. We'll add some more later if we need it. There's one of those chicken breasts. There's the other. There you go. That's the beginning. How's it looking so far? I think it looks good. And just because I'm cuckoo, add some more olive oil. That should be it for the olive oil. Let's put some salt. We'll do 6 cracks. Pepper. That's 14 if you're counting at home. So onion powder, we need some because we don't have any onions today. Just didn't have any. It's garlic powder. I do have garlic, but I'm adding garlic powder. Some basil. That's gorgeous. This is coriander seed. It's great with chicken. I'm not kidding around this time. Sometimes I kid, but not this time. That's it. Here's fresh garlic. Gotta have something fresh in there. That's it. Just green olives. Perfect. You like the green ones? How about the black ones? Well, let's put those in. That's gorgeous. This is some artichoke hearts, even with the oil. Yeah, we're putting the whole thing in there. The whole 9 yards. Guess what? If you're lucky, we'll go 10 yards. Putting these tomatoes in. San Marzano. There's something about them. That's just crushed. Here's the secret. This is a Merlot. Clean up the can with the Merlot. It's a cheap way of getting wine in there. Just do a little more. Guess what? This is a kitchen sink. You have no idea what's going to happen in this. I have a feeling it's going to taste pretty darn good. Here are those baby asparagus. Oh yeah, they've been in the freezer for a while, haven't they? Guess what? Those will cook down really nice. This is called cleaning out the pantry, cleaning out the kitchen on a slow cook. There's those mushrooms. Oh, look at that. I think it's going to be gorgeous. Let's see where we're at. Could this possibly taste good? We're going to find out. All right, anything else we need to add? One more crack of salt. That went 4. One more pepper. More onion powder. Just a little more garlic. Basil. All right. What you do now is you put the lid on. I'm going to set it on high and say goodbye. I'll see you in about 4 hours. Adios. So 4 hours, let's see. There's some heat coming up. You know, this was been on high for a while. I reduced this down to low. You can see it's cooking pretty good. All those frozen veggies have integrated very well. So this is what we're looking for. This is what we're looking for. This chicken, and that's a nice piece. I'm looking for that to get all shreddy. So I'm looking at another couple of hours at least. Still solid. It's pretty cooked, but I'm going to cook that through a little more. See, in 2 more hours. All right, what have we got here? Okay, it's been... So I put this in at 11. It's 5 o'clock. It's been 6 hours, if my math is right. This is what's nice. Look at it. It's pulling away. I think this baby's almost ready. Look at that. See that pulling away? Still got a lot of liquid, which is okay. The veg is still standing up tall. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. Guess what? We're gonna put it on keep warm for the next hour, but this baby's ready. Gonna add some Parm cheese. Take it to Flavortown. Oh, it's just going all over the place. Alright. That's the thing. Right there, that tells you everything you need to know. Look at that. Look at that chicken. That's Lefty. And that'll be ready to eat in about an hour or so. And I can't wait to eat it. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been 7 hours, and I think that's it. That's it. It's finished. You can see it. Check it out. The meat's all shredded. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Olives still whole. Got your asparagus. Got some tomato sauce. Got a few mushrooms in here. Added some little cheese. Let's serve this up. Close up coming up. And a big bite. I can't wait. All right, that's the close up. I guess you're going to call it the slow cooked chicken kitchen sink. See how it tastes. All right, there it is. It's hot. I know it's hot. Look at that. First of all, that wine burnt off. The sauce is delicious. That olive was gorgeous. Let's taste some of the chicken. This is what it's all about. This is to get your protein. You see that chicken? Look at it. Shreddy. That guy Freddy. That's the pickle right there. Then you have some asparagus. Let's try a little asparagus. Look at the size of that asparagus. That's what she said. I don't know if she said that. I can't eat this whole thing. Super good. Delicious. Maybe could have added some chickpeas. I don't know. Perfect day for a slow cook. It's overcast all day. Check out my videos at Live Life 365 on YouTube. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
The banging you hear is the guy next door is building a house, so I'm thrilled about that. That's when I get crazy. Clean up the chef's mouth with them all. Not kidding about that. I wish I had the real Parm cheese. That's all I have. Yeah, COVID. Almost knocked me off my feet on that one. Sweet Babu? No, I think it was. It ticked all the boxes. And it's easy. Yeah. It's easy. You set it, you forget it. I had 30 minutes of prep. Seriously, and then 10 minutes every 4 hours. You can't beat that. You hear that noise guy slamming stuff. It's just like the people next door building a house and they just want to just slam stuff all the time. What's the plate word? Begins with the A, ends with a hole. Baba. That's it. Goodbye, 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 goodbye.